Hi, I'm Jay, paint expert from Resene, and today I'm going to help you figure out how much paint you need for your job. We have paint calculators on the Resene website which will give you a good idea of how much paint you'll need. I work on the basis that 1 litre of paint like this will cover about 10 square metres. There's more information around the coverage on the back of the pail. This is based on a flat surface, so if your surface is textured or corrugated, you will require more product. For example, a corrugated pitch roof will require about 40% more paint. When you're applying the paint, take into account how much area you're covering. If you've got a lot of paint left over at the end, you may be spreading the paint too thin. Applying the paint too thin can affect the overall colour, appearance and durability. And make sure you use the right tools for the job. Different roller sleeves can give different finishes and appearances. If you're unsure, come into your local Resene ColorShop and check with us.